evening. Today we are going to speak about the soil pollution, the DT-based approach. So our students will discuss about the empathy and design, ideate, prototype, and evaluate. So the soil pollution is a very important pollution in nowadays because every day soil will be polluted by industrial waste, some fertilizers and all. So it's a very foundation life on the earth. So we discussed this topic.
Good morning to one another. Today I'm going to talk about soil pollution. I am from ADS department. I'm Nitish. Soil pollution is major and common pollution nowadays. Contamination of water leads to soil pollution, and overuse of pesticides in the farming areas leads to soil pollution. And industrial waste, when you dumping the industrial waste in the water, it also affects the soil. So the soil quality is becoming very low, and the use of soil is becoming very poor. In the rural areas of India, excessive pesticides used in poisoning both soil and water. This leads to soil erosion, soil collapse, and very less nutrition in soil. So the plants can't be grown, and we can't use soil anywhere. To define this problem, how might we reduce soil contamination and restore soil health while ensuring the food security and sustainable development? How you can see, we need to reduce the poisoning. That means we need to reduce the pesticides, and we need to reduce the wastage dumping in the water and the soil. And others, we need to stop the non-degradable waste to dump. Okay. Next is prototype and idea. The idea to reduce it is given by
I'm telling about decision making of soil pollution. Firstly, we have to determine eco-friendly agriculture, such as organic farming, fertilizing, and precise farming. At the same time, we have to protect the soil pollution by usage of fungus or biographs, or plan to upgrade or degrade the pollutions. So nextly, we have a strength about smart technologies. They are AI or IoT as using sensors to develop or using a soil pollution in the real time. In soil pollution, we have a circular agriculture. That means we have to reuse byproducts by industrials instead of dumping. At the same time, in soil pollution, we have to awareness the students in college or schools to engage the soil pollution in education. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pooja Chandrakumar from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I am currently pursuing my second year. So I am here to explain about the evaluation depend on the topic of soil pollution. So in the soil pollution, my friends have been explained about the empathy, define, ideate and prototype. So now we are going to discuss about the prevention and the measures to be followed to reduce the soil pollution. The first, we have to reduce the fertilizers which are being artificial. We have to use the natural manures to increase the nutrients in the soil. And then we have to go and see the pH level of the soil to know about the soil's health and wealth. And then we have to recycle and reusable wastes have been used because when a product or a material has been reusable and recyclable, which will not affect the soil and it does not affect any other resources. And young generation generation preparation. So we have to create an awareness on the young generation, not only on the young generation but also on the currently pursuing generation to know about the soil pollution and its effects and causes. And then to lead a good and greenful life, we have to follow certain measures and conditions as we said before. Thank you.
So we concluded that soil pollution is not only environmental pollution. Already we talk about our students. So it's affect our humanity. So it will all the protect our environment and save our healthy soil to for the next generations. So the awareness is very important for next generation because the lack of awareness, some people doesn't know about the soil pollution. So educate others to about the soil pollution to reduce the wastage and use some natural manners for soil. We will protect our healthy soil for next generation. Thank you.